Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Guys, in this video, I will talk about this Hugging Chat version 2, and this is the interface like the ChatGPT, but here you will find these 116 models where you can talk with this free and open source model. And here you see that GLM 4.6 is there, DeepSeek version 3.2 model is there, GPT OSS, Coin 3 models, and all of the free and open source popular models are hosted here. So you can choose any of this model and you can talk to them here. Okay, so this is the chat interface, and here you give the prompt and it will give you the output. And the interesting thing is that here they have some kind of image model also. Here you see that these are the image supported model, means you can generate the image with your favorite open source Hugging Face model. Okay, now let's see that how to use it. And another interesting thing is that there is a special model which is the Omni. So that means this Omni will route to the specific model according to your prompt. So basically in case of ChatGPT, here there you have experienced like based on the prompt complexity and prompt type, this route to your request, your input to a specific model. And here also, if you just select this Omni, then based on your prompt complexity and input, it will route to the specific model. It can route to this GLM 4.6, or it can route to this Llama model, or it can route to this Qwen 3 coder. So based on that input, it will route that. Let's see how to use it. Okay. Now below here you see that this is the model Omni is selected. Okay. And one thing guys, I have given this link in description. Go there and you will find this kind of interface. And if you have not logged in this Hugging Face, please do the login. And after that you will find this interface. Okay. Now here I have selected this Omni. So follow my cursor. This is the Omni model. And what I will do that I will ask it to draw a pelican on bicycle. So this is an SVG, and to draw this SVG of an pelican riding a bicycle, here you see that it has chosen this model, this Qwen 3 235 billion. I hope you are able to see it. Qwen 3 235 billion 22 active parameter model it has selected. And now if I just ask it a question regarding this coding, so in that case it will choose different language. So let's say I want to build one HTML game. So if I just select this, and here you see that it has selected this Qwen 3 coder. So based on your prompt, it will choose the best suited model and it will give you the best output from this 116 open source free model. This is really good, man. And also they have mentioned that 115 open source. Okay, one thing is that they are currently updating this Hugging Chat version 2, because when they released it, they mentioned that they have released with this 115, but now it is showing this 116, means they are constantly updating their Hugging Chat. Okay, and here you see with these models in a single interface, it is stronger than ChatGPT. So in case of ChatGPT, you will find some limited models, but here you can choose any models you want to use and select the best model for every prompt automatically with this Omni, and automatically model selection for your queries. And also here you see that the popular model, which is the GLM 4.6, it is also there. And not only this, some days ago I made the video on this cat coder. You remember that this is the cat dev, and this model is also here. This is the Quai Pilot cat dev. Okay, so you can try this one also. DeepSeek R1 is also there. So this is really helpful, I think. And also let me show you. Okay, here you see there is a preview option. Suppose it has generated this code on this HTML, minimal flappy bar game using this HTML and canvas, and here you see that there is a preview option. So if you just click on this preview, and here you see that this is the game it has, so you can play it. Okay, this is very helpful. And when I draw this pelican bar on a draw a SVG of a pelican riding a bicycle, there also was a preview button. So click on this preview, and here you see that this is the SVG. Means you can download this image also. Whatever the SVG image it has generated, you can download that. Okay, so I think this will be very much helpful, guys. So please try it. I have given this link in description. And if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. And please remember to like and subscribe this channel. It will be helpful for me a lot and a lot.